Enter the dynamic world of QSD electric tricycles, where innovation and tradition coexist. Here, we don't just make, we are leading the future of electric vehicles. Over the past 19 years, our footprint has spread to more than 30 countries and more than 1 million vehicles have demonstrated our growth and unwavering commitment. At QSD, the birth of every electric tricycle begins with the unremitting pursuit of perfection. Our professional R&D team meticulously studies every detail, transforming initial concepts into reality with a passion for innovation and a firm commitment to quality. The journey of every piece of steel begins with the selection of the highest quality raw materials. We carefully select reliable brands as long-term partners to ensure that every inch of material meets our high standards. Every batch of raw materials undergoes strict random inspection before entering our warehouse. Moving on to the stamping stage, our expertise lies in transforming steel into the basic components of electric three-wheelers. Specifically for the body of electric motorcycles, we use steel with a thickness of 1.8 mm to 2.0 mm to ensure that each vehicle is not only lightweight, but also strong and durable. Whether skilled hand welding processes or advanced automated robotic welding, QSD ensures unparalleled precision and consistency, ensuring the structural strength and durability of every vehicle. Our electrophoretic painting process not only gives each electric tricycle a vibrant appearance, but more importantly, provides long-term environmental corrosion protection. On QSD's assembly line, each car is a carefully crafted work of art. From the smallest screw to complex electronic systems, our team of experts ensures every part is flawless and demonstrates superior craftsmanship. After careful inspection and fine-tuning, each QSD electric tricycle begins its global journey, safely packed and loaded for delivery. Our advanced logistics system ensures timely and safe delivery to customers around the world. With strong manufacturing capabilities and an impressive daily production capacity of 800 units, QSD is a leader in combining industrial strength with trade services. QSD provides standardized and customized solutions and is a beacon of quality, innovation and global connectivity. At QSD, we keep moving forward, showcasing our latest innovations in electric three-wheelers at top trade shows around the world. These events are the stage where we showcase our cutting-edge technologies and sustainable solutions to an international audience. Through these platforms, we engage with industry leaders, cultivate partnerships, and stay ahead of market trends, ensuring QSD remains at the forefront of electric mobility. Embrace the future with QSD. Let's embark on a journey together towards a more sustainable, connected and beautiful world.